Hello and welcome to the video where I will show you how to turn off the click sound on your iPhone 11. This is when you lock your phone. Just listen. Some people want that turned off. So let me show you how that's done. What we do, we go into the phone and we go to settings. And from here, we're looking for sound and haptics, which is just here. We click that, scroll down and you will see lock sound. It's currently on. Toggle that off and let's test this immediately. No sound. It's as simple as that. And of course, to reverse that, you'll go back into settings, sounds and haptics, and you enable the lock sound. Let's test that. There we go. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know it's working and lets others know as well. Share it with your friends if you think they want to know about this as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'd just like to thank you for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.